Welcome to MarcomCentral. Today we're excited to show you one of our newest and most creative features, AI image generation powered by OpenAI. With just a few key prompts, you can instantly create stunning on-brand visuals right inside your MarcomCentral library. Let's take a look and see how it works. So let's start with our template assets tile, and let's navigate to our libraries. From here, we can create or add a new library, or we can edit an existing one. Here, I'm going to go ahead and access my already created library called AI Images. At the header of the library section, you'll find a new button, once the feature has been enabled, called OpenAI Image Creation. Let's click that. Here you'll find 4 easy steps to create an AI-generated image. First is the prompt, which is allowing us to describe our content. The prompt is the most important part. To get the best images, your prompt should be descriptive. Think about setting, subject, mood, and style. Adding details like lighting, soft natural light, or studio lighting can also help. And always keep your brand identity in mind, the colors, the tone, and the feel you want to represent. The other tabs in here is the output orientation. So it can be auto-generated, square, portrait, or landscape based on your needs. Square, of course, would be a great example for a social media output. The quality of the output can also be controlled, high, medium, and low. Of course, will take a different amount of time to generate based off of the quality, but rest assured they will generate as selected. And finally, the output background. Again, auto-generated, opaque, which is a solid background, or a transparent if we're going to overlay it on something existing. So we have many options in here. So let's go ahead and create a few items in here. Here's an example for a higher ed. A professor leading a small discussion in a modern classroom. Engaged students, warm and natural light from large windows, contemporary academic atmosphere, photorealistic style with focus on energy and curiosity. Let's change the output orientation here to be landscape. And for training purposes, I'm going to change the quality to low. I'm also going to keep the output background at automatic for this particular example. Go ahead and hit the button Create Content when you're ready. Based on our selections, now we can see the output. So we get a landscape-oriented image with lower quality, with an automatic background, with our prompt as defined. Again, without any photo shoots required, actors, or lighting setups. Let's take a look at another example in here as well. This is one for finance. A professional financial advisor meeting clients in a sleek, modern office with soft, neutral lighting, confident expressions focused on partnership and expertise. Realistic business photography style. Again, notice the descriptions in my prompt. Let's change the orientation output this time to square, as we may use this in a social media example. And again, I'll keep the output quality low and the background at automatic. And finally, create the content once more. And finally, our image is generated. Below the image, you'll see a couple options where we can view the image at full size or the availability to add it to our library. Let's go ahead and add this image to our library. So my image was successfully added to the library. And that's it. Creating professional, ready-to-use images has never been easier. Start exploring AI image generation today and see how it can inspire your next campaign. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for being a part of the MarcomCentral community.